From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. If you downloaded the plugin file, click Upload Plugin, then choose File, and select the zip file from your computer. Click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. Once you've installed and activated the plugin, you'll find a new menu under WooCommerce Settings called Preorder. From here, you can configure all the global options. To enable pre-order on a product, create a new or edit a product from your WooCommerce backend. For simple products, check the pre-order box to unlock the Settings tab. Here, you can set availability dates, quantity limits, prices, and payment types. For variable products, enable pre-order per variation. In the General tab, you can enable pre-orders on the front end, set price adjustment rules, and define availability dates. You can also create conditions to target specific products by type, price, category, or even custom fields. Next, let's customize the design. Under Design Settings, you'll find 5 sections: Pre-order button, Cart Notice, Product Page Notice, Shop Page Notice, and Badge. Each section has a preview button so you can see changes instantly. Change button text and style. Customize notices with or without date information. Adjust colors, fonts, padding, and border styles. Add badges with custom text or icons to highlight pre-order products across your store. The plugin adds its own set of pre-order email types to WooCommerce. You can enable these emails from the plugin settings or directly under WooCommerce Settings, Emails. To customize their content, simply click Manage in the WooCommerce Emails page, where you can edit templates, subjects, and messages for each notification. In the SMS settings, first enable the 2 available options and set up the message content for each one. Next, choose one SMS provider from the 3 providers supported by the plugin. To use a provider, you need to obtain its credentials and fill in the required fields. Please follow the guidance provided under each input field, get the correct ID and tokens from the provider's dashboard. In this tutorial, we'll walk through an example using Nexmo to show how the setup works. Once everything is configured, you can send a test SMS to make sure the integration is working correctly. In the Payment and Delivery tab, you decide how customers pay for pre-order items. Options include full payment upfront or deposits, which can be set as a fixed amount or percentage. You can also enable Pay Later, so customers pay the balance once the product is available. For delivery, you can allow free shipping on pre-order items to encourage early purchases. Once the order is placed, it will have a pre-order status, and the customer can view it under the My Account Orders page. Now let's see how pre-orders work in action. When a customer views a pre-order product, they'll see the notice, button, and availability date you've set. They can add the item to their cart and complete the checkout process, just like a normal WooCommerce order.